In this video, I'll show you the best way to disable Auto Start Stop on your 2025 Ram 1500. We begin by removing the passenger side floor mat. Raise the seat for clearance, then remove the seat side trim panel. Lift up on the seal plate trim, then release the front section by pulling the panel towards the rear of the truck. The area behind the panel looks a little different between the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive variants. If you have the two-wheel drive model, use the process we demonstrate in the remainder of the video, but apply it to the connection points shown in the left side of this image. Remove the 10mm nut on the ground stud as shown. Route the device wire with the ring terminal under the existing wires and over the ground stud. Replace and tighten the nut. Before we disconnect the harness connection, we need to ensure the vehicle has been off for at least 3 minutes. During this time, do not interact with the vehicle in any way, as this resets the sleep timers. To disconnect the harness connection, it's helpful to use a flat screwdriver to direct the necessary force onto the connector instead of the wires. Once disconnected, connect the harness in line as shown and fasten the device module using the included zip tie. Trim the excess from the zip tie. The process of replacing the sill plate trim is the opposite of the removal. Start with the front and work to the bottom. Replace the seat trim panel and then the floor mat. Now that the device is installed, the device will remember and automatically restore the off setting for Auto Start Stop.